Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode. We're gonna tell you how to shop smarter in Danish supermarkets, how to save money, and also how to get this much food for 39 Danish crowns. So make sure to watch until the end of the episode. Roll the intro. When it comes to shopping in Denmark, there are a few golden rules that you should follow, and that is Rema and Lidl are the cheapest shops here in Denmark. Superbrugsen, Bilka and Netto are the most expensive ones, and this was found by a Danish magazine which did research, and they purchased 30 everyday items in all of those shops and compared the prices. Rema was the winner. And also one cool thing to remember is that all the bakery within the last 30 minutes of the closing time are on a discount for half the price. And it's both in Lidl and in Rema, so you can save some money on the bakery. Rema and Lidl are doing the 30-minute policy with the bread for a very good reason, and that is to fight food waste. Now, I've got myself this, but I think Radim and Yara are still going to be very hungry, so we need to find a better way to feed both of them. And for that is also a great app here in Denmark, and it's called Too Good To Go. And what this app is doing is that they are trying to reduce the food waste even more. And what it is great about it that you can get a lot of bread, veggies and fruits for dirt cheap. And I'm going to show you how it works. So you have to find in the app what kind of things you would like to get. Then you simply purchase it and it gives you an address where you pick up the bread or veggies. Now I've purchased some bread for us, so let's jump into the car and let's go and get it. See what we got. One thing you have to keep in mind is that the pickup time is actually time restricted. It's about 4 o'clock right now, and we have to be there by 4:30, and we have 15 minutes to pick up the food. Otherwise, it's gonna end up in trash, and we don't want that. So right now we are near the bakery where we are supposed to pick up the things. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what we're getting. You can't really see the contents of the package that you're getting, but they say that there's gonna be a lot of food for a really good price. So let's go and see. So we just got all of this for 39 Danish crowns. It's all the bread. I think I can see some cakes there as well. Let's go home and check it out. And all of this for only 39 Danish crowns. Do you guys think it's worth it? Let us know down below in the comments. For now, I have to feed my production team, so let's get into it.
Wish to try some traditional Danish bread or cakes? Make sure to check them out. There's nothing better than having the proper Danish rundstykke for breakfast together with strawberry cake and coffee. Now, let's move on.
Right now we are on the main street here in Horsens, and except many small shops, you can also find street markets in here. Unfortunately, there are none here today, but make sure to follow some Facebook groups here in Horsens because they post about them every time they happen. They are usually street vendors which sell international food, but also some arts and craft items, so it's really cool. If you don't know about any of those Facebook groups, then make sure to follow our Facebook page, where we made a video about 5 essential Facebook groups you need to be a member of here in Horsens. It's a lovely weather here in Horsens. Love Horsens. So, because it rains, we had to resort to Butcheries, which is a great shopping place if you're looking for clothes. But also, they have this type of machine. And we love claw machines. And let's see.
But because this channel is all about being green and sustainable, we are going to... No? Not even a little? Okay, never mind. Cool thing about Denmark is that you can pick your own food from the ground. Literally. Basically, all you need to do is just to come in one of these places around Horsens, to the fields like this, pick your own potatoes or strawberries or some other things, pay with cash or with mobile pay. That's basically it. It will get a little bit messy, but on the other hand, you can get a lot of food for a really good price. And that's a good thing to know. They also have fields like this for flowers during the season, which isn't today as you can see. So we're just going to throw some picture from Netherlands and we call it a day.
If you're looking for some cheap cosmetics and everyday items, definitely check out Normal. This perfume just cost me 10 crowns. Sweet deal.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you like it or you learned something new, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you wish to learn more about being a student in Denmark or generally living in Denmark, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, we are launching our new webpage, student-survival.com, where we put our blog posts and all the other information that didn't make it to the videos. So make sure to check it out. See you guys!